Hello guys, today we will make soft body simulation in Blender, something like this. Let's just start. But first, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Those who are new, just press on the bell icon and click on the all notification. And I request you all to please help me to reach 1k subscriber. Share this video and like this video. Now let's just start. First of all, we will make the jar, the glass jar. For that we have to apply the subdivision on this cube, and you can do it to 3. Now go to the edit mode and scroll up the mouse wheel. Now select the face select mode, select the upper face, I to insect, E to extrude upward, and R, control R to make a loop cut down there like this. And now you have to delete the upper face. Press X, delete the face, and select the vertices and just make it a little bit down like this. Your jar is ready. And now Shift A, select a plane S and 8 to scale it up, and now you have to just add some soft bodies. Hide the cube for now and select another cube. Go to the modify tabs, select subdivision surface and make it 2, and click on apply, W, shade smooth. And now what you have to do, go to the physics tab, select on the collision for the plane and select the soft body for the cube or sphere. So you can also select the UV sphere and icosphere, but I will recommend you to select a cube and apply one subdivision on it, because if you select UV sphere or icosphere, it will be too heavy for baking for your computer. But if you have a very high power computer, you can do that. Now if we press the space bar, you can see that it will stay here, and just move it like this because you have enabled the goal by default. So what the goal is, it is like a pinning or some of the vertices attached this position and it will not move downward. So you have to uncheck that, and these are the settings here. It is very important, especially push and pull. What the pull and push mean? Pull mean if you have a like rubber band and you stretch both of its and you feel something of its resistance. So basically it is the resistance. You can increase the value to 0.6. and similarly like push, if you have a balloon, air balloon, and you squeeze it, so if you higher the number of this, then it will make difficult to squeeze that. So we will just make it 0.6. and what the damp is, it is the resistant. And what the plastic is, plastic is very unique and very interesting feature. If you turn this number high, then if this ball collide with the surface, it will permanently deform at that shape and it will not recover the original shape. So it is for plastic like thing. And this setting here is very important for bending. If I play this animation now, you can see that it will just collapse. But if we change it to 1, now you can see that it is very softy. So you can change it to 1 and also enable the self collision, and remaining settings will be like that. Don't worry about that. And now what you have to do, you can just unhide the jar, and you can also give it some thickness to the jar. go to the modifiers, click on the solidify modifier and go to the wireframe. What you have to do, you can just increase the thickness like this and something like this, and you can also decrease the size of the ball. Go to the higher number and solid. Now it is, you have to do what you have to do, you can apply the collision on this jar, so soft body will collide it, and now we will see how it is look like. So click on the animation and you can see that it is very much moving. So for that you have to increase the bending value. So we will increase the bending value to about 5, and you can, what you can also do, you can just decrease this value to 100 bake value, and also from here to 100. Now you can check if we play that it is working very well. So this is for our soft body. Now what you have to do, you have to just render it, and before that you have to bake all of these. Go to the solid mode and what you can do, select the plane, select the edge and make it like this, and Control B, scroll wheel up, and Control Alt and 0, Shift F to go to the fly mode, and go to this position, and S and X to scale on the x-axis, and now assign the material. You have to assign the material, and one thing also, you can go to the cycles mode for better shading, and now go to the rendered mode. You have to apply a glass and roughness down to 0. You have to go to the area lamp and select here square, give it to area of 5, R, Alt R and 7 to go to the up mode, and Alt R to rotate. And now what you can do, you can also decrease the background or increase whatever you like. Make this color a little bit, or not this, but the plain color here, you can change it to like something blue, and now you can render. You can see that now you have to apply the color of the ball. Go to the material and give it a diffuse BSDF, give it an orange color, and one thing also, you can make it duplicate. So I will just go to 3 balls. You can do it for more for your final result, but I will go for only 3 balls because it will take too much time if I make it more. So you have to just apply on this button and make it a change, any color you like, you can assign it, and all of these you have to assign collision, so it will collide to each other, and make sure you have self collision enable. Now you're ready to go. Select anyone and click on the bake option, so it will start baking. You can see that down there it is baking. So if you select UV sphere or icosphere here with more subdivision, it will take too much time. So why we have selected cube? Because it will take less time to baking. So just baking will be finished in a second, you can see that. And if you don't want to render it full 200, you can press escape and it will render to that keyframe. So we will press escape for now and you can go to the full render. Now go to the material mode, go to the wireframe, and you can click on play, and now you can see on the rendered option our soft body simulation is done. So this is it for today's video. Hope you will like it. If you like, thumbs up the like button and also for the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.